Nelda. Welcome back. Today I am excited to show you my 30 Days of Gratitude printable. It is called 30 Days of Gratitude Journal, a journey to a grateful heart. I created this printable because I journal almost every day and I write down three things I'm grateful for. But sometimes, due to a hectic schedule, I end up just saying my gratitude instead of writing it down. So I thought, why not have a prompt to encourage me to really sit down and write? So that is why I made this kit. It is for me and for anyone looking to get into the zone, to reflect on things that happened and appreciate the things that we truly have. I believe that gratitude journaling has so many benefits. It helps us focus on the positive, it boosts our mood and overall joy, it reduces stress and helps us relax, and it improves our mental well being. When we focus on the positive and the good, we are attracting positive energy into our lives. And this positive energy is very important because it helps us stay motivated, it helps us feel happier, and even improves our relationship with others, I find. So, join me on this journey to a grateful heart. Let us make time to reflect and appreciate the good things in our lives. So, here is the set of my printable. I printed this on thick cardstock, so it is nice and thick. If you print it on regular copy paper, it will be a more manageable size. I will be creating the 30 Days of Gratitude journal and I will list it on Etsy. But you can also make your own when you get this kit. And here is the cover. I printed the same design on one sheet because I will cut it out and glue it down to my actual cover. I'm not folding this sheet into two because my journal needs a big spine. The first page is the welcome page. It introduces you to the journal and sets the tone for a gratitude journey. It is a nice way to start off, giving you a warm and inviting feeling as you begin. In every page, the color tone is soft, pastel, and faded, and the left side has an image, different image on every page, and you can really use this page to put everything that is in your thoughts and in your heart. You can even put a picture here or do whatever you want. You can paint. The back also is blank. I didn't really put any lines here because this is for your writing. The next page explains how to use this journal, and each day you will have a chance to reflect on what you're grateful for. You will find a gratitude prompt to guide your thoughts, or you can simply write what comes from the heart. There's always a daily quote for inspiration and reflection, and you will have plenty of space to write as the other side of the paper again and the back are blank. The following page is a gentle reminder that this journal is for you. There are no right or wrong answers here. Just write what comes to mind and what you feel in your heart. Now, let us take a look at the layout of each page. While the layout remains consistent, every page features a unique design on the left side, and I've used faded images and soft tones again to ensure that the focus remains on your writing without any distractions from heavy images. So on the right side, you have your day. That would be day 1, day 2, day 3, and so on. There are 30 days. And then your space to write the date, today's gratitude prompt. So every day is different. The gratitude list, I have here 3 lines. You don't have to do 3. You can do 1 or 2, or you can do 4 if you want. That's fine. You have space on the left side and on the back to write your thoughts there. Your space for reflection and the quote of the day. So every day you have a different inspirational quote, and I really love quotes, so I hope that you do too. I'd like to also mention that all the daily journaling prompts from day 1 to day 30 are intentionally placed on the right side of each page. So when you fold the papers in half to create the booklet, you will see that the left side of each page remains blank, especially if you did not print it double-sided. I did mine double-sided, so there's like a bit of image there that's faded. But if you didn't do double-sided, then your back page, when you fold it, will be blank. So this extra space allows for more creativity and deeper journaling without feeling constrained. Now, it also, I find this layout enhance readability. So by placing the prompts consistently on the right side, we aim to provide a more organized and visually appealing journaling experience. This way, you can easily find and focus on the day's prompt while keeping your additional notes neatly on the opposite page, if that makes sense. And the flexibility of extra page. So I find that once you have completed the 30 days of journaling, the left side of each page before folding will serve as additional pages for you to use however you wish. Whether you want to continue writing, doodling, or adding more reflections, these pages are there to support you and to support your ongoing journaling journey. So, after 30 days of journaling, you will get to this page. It is a congratulations page with very nice statements. It's like a pat on the back, congratulating you on completing your 30 days of gratitude and on embarking on this journey. I also included reasons to continue the practice of gratitude, and there's a thank you page expressing my gratitude for allowing this journal to be part of your journey. This kit also includes some pages of tags and pockets that you can use to decorate the empty pages. The images have beautiful phrases and sentiments that encourage you to keep writing. And I've also provided some lovely images to use however you like. So this is not a typical booklet layout, but this layout enhances your journaling experience, giving you ample room to express your gratitude and creativity each day. To avoid having blank white pages on the back, if you do not want that, simply select a design from this kit and print it on all your back pages, just like I did. So, this is the 30 Days of Gratitude Journal, a journey to a grateful heart digital kit. It will be available in my Etsy shop. And if you would like, or if you're interested in getting the actual handmade journal, you can leave me a message or comment down below and I will make one for you. So, once again, thank you all so much for supporting my work. I hope you get inspired by this digital kit, and I really encourage you to take the time to write down the things that you are grateful for. At least three. Or even if when you're so busy, even just one a day. I promise you will see the benefits in the long run because I do. So, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this 30 Days of Gratitude kit brings you as much joy and reflection as it has for me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you'd like to just say hi, or if you'd like to see more content like this. Happy journaling, everyone, and stay grateful. Bye now, till next time. God bless you.